Hey friends, we all know how important it is to have a digital presence in today's business environment. So today I have got a small and easy tutorial on how to create a website in Canva. It's easy to create a website with Canva even if you don't know anything about design or website development. Let's get into the guide to build a website with Canva. Log into Canva account. To use pre-made templates, search for website. Choose any template and click on Customize this template button to start customizing. You can start customizing it with your own brand color, images, and elements. To create a link, select any element or text and click the link icon at the top toolbar and put your external link there. After done with customization, click on Publish as website. You can select either a free domain or purchase a new domain. Add your URL name, description, or password and hit the publish button to launch your site. Your website is ready. Want more content like this? Follow, subscribe, and like our channel. Thank you.